Wow, wow, what a match. What a match. What a statement made by Mamelodi Sundowns. Like, somehow this is one of the matches about I didn't expect with maybe they might have a comeback due to the fact that their coach is always saying with fatigue it in. But today, especially at the end of the match, about they were just looking like the shoe shine type of Mamelodi Sundowns like before available. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns 3 and then Devin City one, and somehow Devin City was just leading the game. Somehow Devin City they were having many opportunities. Somehow Devin City decided to miss a penalty and missed a clear scoring goal inside of a penalty without no inside of a box without no pressure. So this was the game. Yes, Sundowns about which showed the mentality. This is the game where like a big team supposed to show a character. This is the game about where